What's up everyone, it's Sam here, and today we want to check out the latest AirPods from Apple. Here we have it. Look at the box. Man, I gotta say, Apple, their packaging rocks. It looks so good and it's super. So on the side here we have an Apple logo AirPods wireless charging case. Comes with that. It is sold separately if you want to wireless charge your first gen AirPods. The sticker. Alright, let's see. AirPods with wireless charging case. So let's get it open. The Swiss Army knife went through war. I love it. It does the job. Super. You can see from the blade, it is sharp. Watch out. So let us, without cutting ourselves, for just a moment. That's it. Go ahead and sleep inside. Okay. Let's check it out. I never used the first gen AirPods, so I'm kind of in the dark. Designed by Apple, California. We have here. Okay, some user guide, user manual, how to set it up. Warranty information, I guess. Do they give stickers? No. No, they don't. Like we need them. Okay. Put them back inside. So basically, there's a plastic tab right here. By the way, this is small. I thought it was bigger. It's pretty small. It's pretty nice. This is like a sound of excitement and shock. Alright. Oh my god. The AirPods. Piece of art. By the way, the first gen doesn't have a light indicator to let you know it's charging. Now the second generation charging case does, so that's pretty cool. Lightning cable can be connected here to charge it up. If you don't have a wireless charging pad. Put that aside. Let's check what else comes inside. So anyways, they give you a charging cable, and that's about it. It's pretty empty. Okay, we don't want the charging cable. Thank you. This back inside. Thank you very much. Oh my god, I have to charge them. I have to set them up and do all that awesomeness. Check them out. So nice and small. Look at it. Pretty cool. Magnetic, so nice. Here we go. So Apple claims that you can use them for 5 hours straight listening to music, for example. Charging case, if fully charged, it will contain 24 hours of charging ability to charge those babies up, and those fully charged 5 hours of use, which is okay. I was hoping more than that, but yeah, you know, Apple's getting there. So you can just place them. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. It's that one over here. Okay, and it's magnetic, which is cool. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. It doesn't come in any other colors, just white. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.